Hi, I'm Jenny from Trackside Model Railroading. We create a monthly digital magazine and full-length films of model railroad layouts. We're going to be creating short episodes of some of the layouts that we film. In this episode, we'll see a few trains on Jim Pendley's HO scale Western Pacific layout. Be sure to subscribe and follow us to be notified when we release a new episode.
Trackside model railroading, where the hobby comes to life.
Here in the Feather River Canyon in Northern California, we watched the Zephyr come out of Tunnel 11 traveling west. This train is based in about 1969. The Zephyr ran from 1949 until 1970, so it won't be long before the CZ is a thing of the past. At Tunnel 12, which is actually a watershed over the Western Pacific Main Line, we watched the Ford Fast train. The WP's 3544, a Jeep 40, leads the train along with two trailing units. This train is based in about 1971 and is also traveling west through the canyon. The Ford Fast was dedicated to hauling auto parts for Ford's plant in Milpitas, California. We see the Ford Fast as it comes through Tunnel 10. That lead locomotive is sporting the Pearlman paint scheme. Number 3544 was actually the last Jeep 40 to be delivered to the Western Pacific. The train will be arriving in Orville soon, and then will continue through to Milpitas. We'll be back to see more of Jim's Western Pacific Railroad next time. Be sure to subscribe and follow us to be notified when we release a new episode.
Trackside model railroading, where the hobby comes to life.